Hey everyone, this is Ryan. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let you guys know about Forsage Tron and to let you know why you want to join our team, the number one team, and it's because what I'm going to be providing you is a bunch of free training showing you exactly how to market your Forsage Tron, exactly why you should not upgrade to all of the levels, why the money is not upgrading to all the levels. That's where the real money is, the easy money. And not only that, I'm going to be showing you how, right now there's currently 2,900 people in Forsage Tron, and I'm going to be showing you, giving you free training to my team members, how you can go in and get a big piece of this pie here on the normal Forsage Ethereum system. There's over 732,000 people in there, and I'm going to be showing you free training on how to get those people over here under you. All right, so all you got to do is click the link in the description. Make sure you join my team, follow the instructions over on the next page after you give us your email, and we'll take care of you. We'll send you over to the free training, and we'll show you exactly how you guys can take advantage of the system and by getting in early, and also how to maximize your profits here. And yes, it's not by upgrading to level 12. All right, so click the link in the description. I look forward to working with you, and we'll see you on the other side.